Life's tight. Eat right. Start simple with MyPlate. Move to fat-free or low-fat dairy. Foods in the dairy group provide important nutrients that are vital for maintaining a healthy body. These important nutrients include calcium, which builds strong bones, vitamin D, and protein. There are food choices with calcium that are not part of the dairy group. While the amount of calcium that can be absorbed from these foods varies, some options include leafy greens like kale, collard greens, spinach, and bok choy. Calcium-fortified juices, calcium-fortified plant-based milk alternatives, and canned fish with bones are also great sources of calcium. Healthy plant-based substitutes to dairy products like milk and cheese are convenient for those who lead a dairy-free lifestyle. Move to low-fat or fat-free dairy. Visit snapedny.org for more information, tips, and recipes. Save time, save money, eat healthy.